As a freelancer and entrepreneur that lives abroad in Costa Rica, my husband and I, we tend to have a few different side hustles and different ways that we bring money into our household. My husband and I love notebooks and we love anything that has to do with paper. Even though we do use a lot of things online nowadays, we still like going back to our notebooks. So my husband and I decided to get our passion and our knowledge and invest it into creating a business. So in pandemic, we started a new business, which was making notebooks, planners, notepads, etc., etc. I took a course that teaches me marketing skills and it helps me learn how to promote myself better. I do like showing up on social media, but I do feel that there's always something that I can improve. And I want to learn how to market myself on different platforms. So something that you can do, for example, in our case, that we have products that we've already purchased and things that work for us, you can make a list and then you can add it to a storefront like Venable. And then if somebody purchases from your links and your recommendations, then you're going to make a commission from it, which helps somebody else. And it also helps you because you're going to make a small commission from it, which means passive income. So after chatting with one of you guys and getting to know you guys and your dreams, there's one of you who told me that wants to do a notebook business. So I said that I was going to make a list and send it to you. So I'm going to do that. And in the meantime, I'm also going to add it to Venable and show you guys how to do the same thing if you guys would like to either purchase a product from my list or if you want to make your own list and your own storefront on Venable. So let's get into the video because I'm going to show you guys how to do it and how easy it is. You first have to make a profile, then you have to make lists. So you're going to go over here where it says plus, and it's going to say new list or new collection. I have been doing lists because it comes up like that with the picture, where the collection, you don't see the picture. So I think it's just better like this for marketing, like marketing purposes. You get to see the pictures and kind of makes you want to click in it. So here, once you click list, you're going to add the name of your list. I'm on my computer, sorry if you can't see too well. So I added my title and I put stationery notebook business. Now you're going to click inside and then in here, you're going to be able to add a description for like whatever you want to explain to the people that are going to go into your link. And over here, you can create sections. So for example, let's say we're going to click the section. So for example, I added 2 sections, notebooks and extra. This was just an example, by the way. So under each of these, you're going to be able to add a description and you're going to be able to add products. I actually created another one. I called it thermal labels and stickers. So you're going to go into your Amazon storefront. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so they give me my own link. And then it will show up like this. It will show up like this and you get to choose a picture. You're going to click next. You can add it. And once you confirm, you have it up and ready.